Hi everyone, it is Jan here from Jan Art. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me. I am working on a 60 by 80 centimeter deep edge canvas, gallery wrap canvas that is approximately 23 by 32 inches, I think. Yeah, and I will be doing 2 open cup pours on this canvas, and if there's room for it, I might do an extra or 2 small straight pours or flip cup. I'm not sure about that yet. The idea is that I'm gonna do the open cup pours, and there should be like one here and one here, and then depending on whether there's room for it or not, I will be doing those extra little cups. I'm gonna run through my colors and then we'll get down to pouring after. So here's just a quick run through of my colors. This is my base coat. It is a mix of creative inspirations in Payne's Gray. There's some Amsterdam graphite in it, and some Deco Art metallics in pewter. And because it looked a little too blue to me, I also added some Golden Fluids Payne's Gray. I don't want it to be black, but I did want it to have a very dark blue color, and the Payne's Gray in itself from the Creative Inspirations turned out to be a little too blue. So the colors that I'm having is, this one is Golden Fluids in turquoise, phthalo. This one is Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue. This one is a mix of the Deco Art Metallics Peacock Pearl with some added golden turquoise phthalo. And because it looked a little too similar to that one, I also added some Golden Fluids Iridescent Pearl and some titanium white, also from Golden Fluids. So this one, sorry. Just to get it a little lighter than this one, which is the Deco Art Metallics Teal. This one is Pebeo Studio, and it is the Iridescent Green Blue. Then we have the Porridge Posse paint in Barn Red Shimmer. So this one. We have a Deco Art Americana in the Citron Green. This one is the Golden Fluids Iridescent Pearl. Then we have the 24K from Deco Art. And last but not least, the Golden Heavy Body Quinacridone Nickel Acer Gold. So those will be the colors, and let's get down on the canvas.
Give me your summer. who you are.